Okay, so here is this app called Right Side Broadcasting, RSBN. And yeah, to install it on iPhone, just tap Get. And yeah, this is the app. Then just confirm with your password, Touch ID. And then you can just tap Open. And then you can allow notifications or don't allow, and then you can just watch the news live. You can see featured videos, you can see live coverage archive, and then there are also settings. You can create an account, you can clear cache, and FAQ here, you can read that. So there are some subscriptions. So there you have it. Previously it was just a website, but now you also have an app. And in the bottom you have shows, you have all videos, you have shop, you have live, and yeah, so that's how it works. Hope it was helpful.